What brought you to Symmetry and Flow?
What brought me here was I was in the gym and I started feeling some pain in my left hip. And I thought maybe I had pulled something or something had gone wrong. And I came here and I found out that it was actually just the beginning of a greater issue that was with my back, which you guys were able to identify for me.
Good. And how's your experience here been so far?
My experience here has been great. The staff here is amazing. You guys always make me feel really comfortable, as well as being able to just give me all the information about whatever it is that's going on with my body. And I really appreciate that because it kind of helps me at least try to avoid some issues that could come up just with working out or whatever, just life in general.
Cool. And would you recommend Symmetry and Flow to family and friends?
Absolutely, and I have already, and I do. I just always tell people that coming here and just getting the massage and the chiro and the acu, and it's just like a quality of life thing. Like you just feel better all the time, and just know that much more about your body and how it works and how to keep it running in tip-top shape is just, an amazing just experience. So yeah, definitely.
¿Cuál fue la razón que buscaste tratamiento en Symmetry and Flow?
Vine por un dolor fuerte en el hombro izquierdo. Casi no podía levantar el brazo y decidí acudir a este centro. Lo conseguí por casualidad y me siento súper bien después de que estoy con ustedes.
Excelente. ¿Y la experiencia, cómo te ha ido hasta ahora en la clínica?
Excelente. El trato educado, profesional, ha sido un trato verdaderamente excelente.
Gracias,
El
gracias.
que he recibido de parte de ustedes. No puedo quejarme en lo absoluto.
Gracias. Ok, y ¿recomendarías a Symmetry and Flow a tus familias?
Ampliamente, ampliamente. A familia, amigos, a todo el que tenga alguna situación, alguna molestia, que no dude en pasar por acá. Definitivamente son unos profesionales expertos en lo que están haciendo. O sea, no me cabe ninguna duda desde todo punto de vista. Yo he mejorado, bueno, ya hace bastante tiempo que no tengo ninguna molestia en el hombro, ni en la espalda, ni en ningún sitio. De verdad que lo recomiendo ampliamente.
What brought you here to Symmetry and Flow?
I was having a pain in my lower right backside that eventually crippled me. And one day I called my trainer to tell her that I couldn't go to boot camp, and she recommended me to give a call to
Symmetry and Flow.
Symmetry, for me to call Symmetry and Flow. And I was very impressed by the quality of service that they gave me. It's a team approach. Never had seen it in a clinic, that the comprehensive review of your background history before they decided which was the treatment that was appropriate for you. And after the first session, my pain went from a 9.5 out of 10 to about a 3.
Perfect, great. And how would you say your experience has been in the office with the staff?
The staff is very friendly, very attentive, and punctuality is something that has impressed me. And I cannot recall any place that you go for treatment that you don't have to wait and sit there for a long period of time before they take care of you. This one is clockwork. It's excellent. You can trust the time and you can manage your time because they know how to manage their time.
Thank you. Would you recommend Symmetry and Flow to family and friends?
Without doubt. Matter of fact, when I came home from the first treatment, I told my wife how pleased I was by how the pain had gone down from 9.5 out of 10 to a 3, and she has always been suffering from neck pain, and she's now a patient of Symmetry and Flow as well, and she is as happy as I am.
What brought you to Symmetry and Flow Healthcare Centers?
I was having severe back pain, muscle spasms, and one of my managers recommended your office to me. I had been to chiropractor in the past, but never gone through acupuncture, and figured I got to do something to get rid of the pain. Let's see, and that you sat down, had a couple of test sessions, and then started coming on a regular basis, and it's made an incredible difference in my life, my ability to do the things that I want to do, and to move myself forward.
Excellent, excellent. And how would you say your experience has been so far?
Excellent. Everybody here is kind, friendly, really nice. They make me feel at home and welcome, and always know how to fix the issues when they're affecting me.
Perfect. And that's what we go for. So, would you recommend Symmetry and Flow Healthcare Center?
Oh, I have, and I will continue to. I've got a friend who's going to be coming in the next couple of weeks. She's had MRIs and all the information with the acupuncture. They were talking surgery, and I said, you got to go see Dr. Rosado and Dr. Chappell before you even consider going under the knife. Let's see what they can do for you. Let them work their magic and put you in a place where maybe you won't need surgery right away, maybe down the road, but at least, in that situation where, you've got to give every opportunity to do it holistically and do it right versus going under the knife if at all possible.
What made you seek out care at Symmetry and Flow?
Well, initially it was when you and Dr. Chappell came through to freaking CrossFit, and I saw you guys there, and I was struggling with my mobility, and I set up the meetings with you, and then you guys really helped me with it. Within a day or two, I saw some significant improvement, and then obviously after that, I had the motor vehicle accident, and I think that has been the primary reason why I've been spending so much time with you guys.
And we appreciate the time you spend together. How has your experience so far been at Symmetry and Flow?
Very, very good. I mean, initially, as I said, with the mobility stuff, that really made a huge difference for me when I was doing my CrossFit. And then since then, with a vehicle accident, as you know, I've had some good progress bringing the pain down and relieving that. Still working on it, but I've definitely had a good experience. And one of the things I really liked was the fact that you guys are always looking for what's the root cause versus just trying to relieve the pain.
Very good, very good. And would you recommend Symmetry and Flow to friends and family?
Absolutely. I think that one of the differences that I see with you guys, and I assume it's for everybody else, is what you do for me, is that you really, it's more that like a family member than being just a number out there. You guys really get to know your patients, get to know me. You really were interested in finding a solution that meets my lifestyle and my issues. So absolutely, I'll recommend Symmetry and Flow. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Art Garcia. I came to see Dr. Rosado after I felt excruciating pain in my back. One morning I woke up, it got progressively worse. I got up, I say about 7 o'clock. By 8:30 I couldn't walk. And I heard through a friend about Dr. Rosado and his abilities, so I called and he was kind enough to get me in that same day. He saw me later on that day around 5:30. Made an adjustment on my back, and I felt almost immediate pain relief from that adjustment. and I've been coming ever since to do the other skills that he has, the other people, the professionals that he has here with the acupuncture and also with the massage therapy and also some core work I'm learning as well for rehab. Just a wonderful experience.